Have you ever wondered where to find free online programming courses as an aspiring developer? The internet is full of options, making it overwhelming to choose. That's why we've compiled a list of 15 fantastic free online programming courses. Whether you're a beginner or intermediate learner, there's something here for everyone eager to dive into coding. Harvard's CS50 is a renowned free course covering algorithms, data structures, software engineering, and web development. It's well-structured, using real-world examples to explain complex concepts. You can access this course on edX. It offers a comprehensive introduction to computer science with interactive problem sets and engaging lectures featuring industry experts. Python is often the first language recommended for its simplicity. Codecademy's Learn Python 3 is an excellent starting point. Available on Codecademy, it provides interactive lessons with instant feedback, covering fundamental concepts like loops, functions, and syntax. It's suitable for absolute beginners eager to start coding. MIT offers a free course perfect for those wanting a deeper understanding of computer science fundamentals using Python. Available on MIT OpenCourseWare, it's taught by experienced professors and covers foundational topics comprehensively. The course includes numerous homework assignments and projects for a rigorous yet rewarding experience. This beginner-friendly course is part of the University of Michigan's programming specialization on Coursera. It's a great introduction to Python programming. Available on Coursera, it offers a low-pressure environment with a supportive community, providing a basic understanding of Python syntax and semantics, ideal for absolute beginners. FreeCodeCamp offers a comprehensive full-stack development course covering HTML, CSS, JavaScript, databases, Git and GitHub, Node.js, and more. Hosted on FreeCodeCamp, it's completely free and self-paced, providing real-world coding experience through numerous projects and certification upon completion for full-stack web development enthusiasts. Khan Academy provides an informal, user-friendly environment to learn JavaScript. Available on Khan Academy, the course is interactive and encourages experimentation. It focuses on drawing and animation using JavaScript, offering an engaging and community-driven learning experience for those interested in creative coding. Google offers a free Python class for beginners and intermediate learners. Accessible on Google's Python class, it includes written materials, lecture videos, and numerous code exercises. Taught by experienced Google engineers, it provides a good mix of theory and practical examples, rich in practical coding exercises. Udacity's course is designed to give a strong foundation in JavaScript, essential for front-end web development. Available on Udacity, it features engaging video tutorials covering core JavaScript concepts. Short quizzes test understanding, making it a great resource for those looking to strengthen their JavaScript skills. The Odin project offers a free full-stack coding curriculum. From HTML/CSS to JavaScript and Ruby on Rails, it covers everything needed to build modern web applications. Check out the Odin project for a comprehensive and up-to-date curriculum with hands-on projects and an active online community for support. For those interested in web development, starting with HTML and CSS is essential. This course from edX, provided by W3C, is available on edX. It offers a beginner-friendly approach with plenty of examples, focusing on creating visually appealing web pages, perfect for aspiring web developers. C++ is a powerful language used in game development and performance-critical applications. SoloLearn's C++ tutorial is great for beginners. Available on SoloLearn, it offers interactive lessons with instant feedback, covering everything from basics to advanced topics, with a mobile app for learning on the go. Understanding cloud computing is increasingly important. This Pluralsight course is a great introduction to Google Cloud Platform. Available on Pluralsight, it covers the basics with practical labs and exercises, ideal for those interested in cloud computing and infrastructure. TypeScript is a popular superset of JavaScript that adds static types. This course by Microsoft is available on Microsoft Learn. Created by Microsoft engineers, it offers comprehensive and practical modules with real-world examples and exercises, perfect for transitioning from JavaScript to TypeScript. Java remains a popular programming language. This edX course provided by Microsoft is accessible on edX. It's suitable for absolute beginners, including plenty of hands-on coding exercises, preparing learners for enterprise-level Java development, making it a valuable resource for aspiring Java developers. Data science is a booming field. SoloLearn's data science tutorial is designed to get you started with data analysis, statistics, and machine learning. Available on SoloLearn, it covers Python for data science with interactive lessons, quizzes, and projects, offering a community-driven learning experience with peer support. There you have it, 15 fantastic free online programming courses. Whether you're starting out or expanding your knowledge, these resources will help you on your journey to becoming a proficient programmer. Your future as a developer awaits.